Hey everybody.
Hey.
We're carving a pumpkin. This is a behind the scenes of carving a pumpkin for a Little Beacon blog. Anti-pumpkin carving article for those of us who do not carve actual pumpkins. For those of us,
and we got a candle.
We do. And we're backing it up. And we saw this on Pinterest, and what we did was we carved the pumpkin. Hey everyone who's just coming in. We carved the pumpkin. We have our power drill, and we have 2 drill bits. We have a little drill bit, and Cole, show us the bigger drill bit. I think that's called a drill bit. Where's the, oh, yes.
Yep. Drill bit.
So we have 2 sizes, and we checked the sizes, and this is the little one, that's the big one. So, actually, Cole, can you switch me out for the big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put the big one in there?
Yes.
Here,
I'm just gonna watch.
Yeah, you are. Cole, hold that, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Well,
We'll put it right there. It's a little slimy with pumpkin on it. Okay, ready? Wait a minute.
That's slimy, mean.
Ruby, can you hold that? Can you be the producer for a minute?
Oh, come on.
Here you go. Okay, you hold that. Hold on, Cole. Don't touch.
Oh, come on.
Back away.
Slimy. Slime.
You on? You filming? Okay, 1, 2.
Mommy, I can't do it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't do it.
We're both holding.
I can't do it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. We moved it. Ruby, I think you have to get off my lap.
Well, that was a big one.
That was a good one. Are you filming, Ruby? All right.
That was a big one.
Sure was. Okay, you still filming? Keep it on there. Gotta stay still. Gotta stay still. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And then one more. Okay, we'll switch.
That's a pound like 2 off.
Yeah. Got the little one.
Do you want to be this?
No, he's doing the power drill. You do the camera. Okay, ready?
I'm doing power drill.
Not ready.
I'm doing the.
You are. Are you filming? You're not filming. Okay, 1.
I'm not ready.
I'm ready. 1, 2.
3, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
A big one. Oh, come on.
The idea is it's going to look beaded. That's what we saw on Pinterest. It kind of looks beaded. We liked that look. I don't know if we can recreate that look, but we'll try. Cole, can you hold that?
Are you doing it all around?
Yeah. So we're going to do that all around, and we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thank you. Bye, everybody.